Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up shipping on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Setting up shipping on Squarespace is essential if you are running an online store and need to deliver products to customers, because Squarespace allows you to configure various shipping methods based on your preferences, such as flat rates, weight-based shipping, carrier calculated rates, and more. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon. Click the account dashboard. And from here, all we have to do is click on the website that you're currently working with. Just wait for it to load. And we need to go to the bottom left corner. You see there's going to be a cog gear icon here. Click on the settings and click on selling. Now, here, there's going to be an option that says shipping, wherein we can set up shipping rates for your store. Now, click on it. And from here, you have all of these options. All right, so shipping settings lets you control what shipping options are available to customers and configure your label printing integration. So you have two options. Add shipping option, which is creating shipping options for your customers to choose from. The costs are automatically applied to physical products. You also have an option for importing from Etsy. We'll do that later. But for now, as you can see, this is going to be the recommended and easy ship all-in-one shipping. Starts at $0 per month. You can save up to a lot of these options. All we have to do is click on connect, or you can view all of the shipping extensions. You might want to do that. So you have all of these choices for you. You have the Send Cloud, Ship Station, Shippo, Easy Ship. All right, After Ship, ShipBob, Order Desk, Return Center by After Ship. Of course, for example, we're going to be using the, I'm going back again to the third-party tools. All right, going to selling again, going to shipping. Now, I'm going to connect on the easy shipping because this is going to be the recommended from Squarespace. I'm going to click on it. It starts at $0 per month. I don't have to worry for that. And all I have to do is click on connect. By doing so, you are allowing EasyShip to view inventory stock levels, update inventory stock levels, and a lot more, right? Create, update, and delete order and fulfillment information. Once you've done that, I want you to click on allow, all right? Wait for it. Once it's integrated, you would be forwarded to another page here. Now, you might want to click on the email for now, which will lead you to the get started for free option. Of course, you have to fill in as much as you can. Once you've done that, you'll hover now to the easy ship, all right? Now, after doing that, you need to hover to the setup pickup options, because from here, pickup is a fulfillment option for physical products, all right? So you need to set up the pickup option here. You can customize how customers pick up their orders. You can add a pickup option. So you can have the Lower East End shop. This is going to be the information. All right. So you can add taxation address. Add your pickup address for taxation purposes only. And if you wanted to have the tax setup, check your tax settings or create new ones if you haven't set up your taxes for this address before. If you quickly go to the tax panel, you would be forwarded here, wherein you have the option to have a manual setup. You can set tax rates for specific locations you want to collect. You can add rate here. All right. Select the country that you are working with. For example, it's going to be within the United States. Let me check that for now. Now select the states, for example, Arizona. Click on next. And from here, you have all of these options. You can add zip code rate if you wanted. All right. And these are going to be your options. The reason we're doing this is that By setting up all of these, you can easily manage where you ship and charge accordingly. This is very useful for businesses that ship to limited locations or have different shipping fees for certain areas. All right. Let me cancel that for now because we're just exploring all these. Go to selling again, shipping, and of course, we're going to have to set up the local delivery options. If you click on that option, you can have a button here that says add delivery option. We're in, select the country, delivery name, delivery rate, and you might want to put in some information here such as delivery times, which is very important so the customers would know. All right. And of course, with the Squarespace integration, it will allow you to have print shipping labels directly from your Squarespace dashboard. This saves time by automating your shipping workflow and making it easier to fulfill orders efficiently. Once you've done that, we're going to go to the selling again, go to shipping, and hover down to the next options, which is going to be setting up the fulfillment profiles. All right. If you want to have a different delivery methods or rate set for your products, you can create fulfillment profiles, which is going to be this one. You have 4 options here. For example, if you wanted to add the physical product, you might want to do so. It's all up to you. All right. Just wait for it. For example, we're going to add an image. I'm going to click on add image and upload a file. Product name is this one. Okay. Click on next and you have all these options: price, stock, and unlimited stocks. All right. I'm just setting up an example. Description. For example, this. All right. Once I've done that, click on save. That's going to be for the physical product. All right. Now hovering back again to the other options, which is going to be the services. You can add a specific service for your customers. Similarly to the options earlier, we can put in such as this, add images, upload a file. And of course, all we have to do is click on save. The inventory is all of these options, right? You have the checkout buttons and custom form buttons. Going to save it again and hovering back again to the downloads. So again, it's the same thing. You can add download, and for the gift cards, you can also add that. For example, this, I'm going to add an image, product name, add image. Now, without any proper shipping configuration, you risk underestimating shipping costs, which can eat into your profit margins. By setting accurate shipping rates based on weight, size, or location, you ensure you're not losing money on deliveries. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is go to the selling again. All right. You can add another product that you wanted. Now, with the ability to configure shipping rates for different countries, you can tailor your pricing based on distance and import fees. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.